Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lovely S. Tonight, this is the continuation of Unit 7. So first, we have optical aids. Famous aids. Please read, everybody.
Famous aids used by learners with low vision where professionals such as ophthalmologists assess, treat, and recommend these aids.
So, muli ang mga gina-recommend sa mga doktor sa eyes para matabangan ang atong mga classmates or mga students na sa ilang low vision. An example lagi is glasses or contact lenses, kanang ay grado. Then, handheld telescope and also magnifiers. Next, large print materials. Please read.
Books, handouts, most specifically visual aids posted on the board should be readable by all learners in the classroom.
So, dapat sa room is pag maghatag ng mga handout sa classmates or sa mga visual aids is dapat maghatag na rin large print materials. Dapat dagko ang sulat. Or, ganang sa mga photocopy, dapat like original yung ihatag, hindi kay katong Xerox, kay wala mag-blur siya. So, next is classroom adaptation. Thank you.
Class lighting is important. Additional lighting can better assist. Give them original copies and give them freedom in choosing their seats.
So, sa classroom, dapat abri ang mga bintana, kay pag-blikid, masamot, o labi na kung wala yung mga classes na itong mga classmate, wala nakakuha na ingana. So, it's very important na hayag ang palibot sa classroom. Abri ang mga portahan, ang mga bintana. Then, sa bangko po, dapat na sila
Freedom.
ang mga shoes, asa sa front sila mag-ikot, asa sila effective na maka-learn. First hearing aid, can you read?
Improve hearing of those people with difficulty hearing.
So, kani is dito siya yung mga ayuhon sa ayuhon niya kanang pagkabong hearing impairment sa isa ka student. Tabangan lang siya nga ang katumasan sa gawas is
Clear
ang volume is hindi na yung istorya sa iyang pagkatulog kay Zoras mo post na.
ASL.
Kaya ano siya, it has speaker, microphone, para mag-ikaw sa sound, ang amplifier para ang sound can so, the speaker para mag-i-send sa ganun lang. Pero remember, dito siya makaayo, maka-help about. Kaming assisted listening system.
Or ASL. Work as amplifiers directly connected through a radio link from the teacher to the learners.
Doon siya ka balik na ay radio ang teacher dili tapos nakaka mo dira is from napod mo yung radio na or ang sa istorya is murag gawas na yung speaker na sa radio.
So, okay. Mura siya lapel, something.
First thing ingani siya, so we're radio sa teacher then we're connected siya sa radio student speaker or na siya
Mic ang gigamitan sa teacher kay bali small mic tapos ang speaker doon sa students.
Then, nalapili ko siya katong i-connect sa speaker or side set or dungan yun para so, kuan naka-focus nilang student sa teacher.
Ay parihaan ng sa lab kanang cum lab. Kakuan ka ng cum lab. Kanang mag-instruction ang teacher ba tapos nara may headphone.
O,
Ano lang para mas clear ang instructions.
Maka-focus din sila na kuan ang mga necessary na background noise. Kani, please read.
Electronic medical device surgically implanted to provide a sense of sound to learners with severe to profound hearing loss.
So, iani ang forma, bali na-implant na siya diri sa likod ng opera. It's a special machine that will be put into your ear. It's a surgery. Siguro din na siya nakatanggal. It helps people that hear at all or have serious hearing problems. Na kung kaning sa hearing aids is balay or medyo pa kay severe.
Kana kay wagid siya pandungog. Wala jud.
It has parts that sit behind the ear. Kani, and parts that go under the skin. It works by giving off sounds, changing them into signals that the brain can understand and sounds. But hearing with further it's not like normal hearing. It takes time to learn and hear things. Once siya, lisod siya, read, kailan maano na paano ni learn. Language, can you read?
FSL has its own grammar, syntax, and morphology that are based on manual hand signals supplemented by body and facial gestures. Filipino Sign Language ng FSL.
Oh yes, ASL, Filipino Sign Language, like all gesture, na yung mga ulo sa ilang sign, body, facial gesture, at sa mga ulo. Pero sa akong sa alphabetical na alphabet na magkaan, character sila
Same sa American.
sila, pero pag ikuan na, mga gesture na, hindi sila ilangin.
Okay.
Guys, I would call Miss Christine to come here in front para spell your name using kaning sign language.
Only the first name.
Okay, first name.
Okay, the first one is C. C. H. R. I. S. T. E.
Ay, asa ka ba?
Dora. Ani. Tapos.
Yes, thank you. Christine. Miss Christine Reyes. Char. Christine Reyes. So, aside po namin ng mga aside namin ng mga modern technology, nakapod tayo ng mga educational program para naging ma-recommend para magkabangan ang mga learners. Yes. Can you read?
Oral approaches trains learners to produce and understand speech and language with auditory, visual, and tactile methods of input.
Kanya this focuses on speech and language skills. Now, helping students with hearing difficulties to communicate in a hearing world. It involves training them to produce and understand speech using a combination of auditory, listening, visual, watching, and feeling. Para siya sa speech lang. Next.
Okay. Auditory training, commonly given to young learners with residual hearing to get them acquainted with sound. There are 3 levels. The first one is detecting, discriminating, identifying sound.
That this type of training is often given to young students with some remaining hearing ability.
Hinapay-hinay.
Oh yes, it helps them become familiar with different sound, and that training can help those who detect sound and distinguish between different sounds and then identify po nila ang specific sounds. Next, can you read?
Speech reading, done through retrieving spoken message by paying attention to the speaker's lip movement, facial expression, eye movement, and body gestures.
So, kami involves understanding spoken messages by paying close attention to the speaker lip movements or lip reading na sila lip. Or, dili mo siya sa lip, dili mo siya sa facial expression, sa eye
Body movement,
yes.
yes.
Or, however, it's important to know that speech reading has limitation. Kaya sometimes it can lead to misunderstanding kasi isupyan ka pero yan yung hindi pasabot kaya ka na
Malumanay na.
Kasi yan na.
Oh, yes.
Kasi special explain. And that's